Hi, I'm Sarah, a brand owner in the exciting world of beverages. And believe me, navigating through the dynamic landscape of the beverages industry poses unique challenges. One of the biggest challenges we face as brand owners is keeping up with the ever-changing trends that shape consumer preferences. The beverage industry has seen a surge in health-conscious consumers, demanding products that align with their wellness goals. Trends such as functional beverages, plant-based alternatives, clean labels, and sustainable packaging have gained significant traction. Traditionally, product comparison and competitive benchmarks have been time-consuming and resource-intensive processes. We often had to rely on manual research and analysis, which limited our ability to respond quickly to market demands and capitalize on emerging trends. The sheer volume of competitors and the diversity of beverage categories further complicated the process. That's where Sensia revolutionizes our approach. Sensia is a game changer in the world of beverage product comparison and competitive benchmarks. Sensia is our secret weapon for quickly and efficiently comparing our products with competitors. With advanced algorithms, Sensia instantly scores product attributes and allows an objective and reliable comparison of products with each other. Sensia taps into a wealth of data, including consumer reviews, YouTube videos, social media mentions, and ad hoc qualitative surveys. With its powerful algorithms, Sensia provides us with real-time insights into competitor products, their strengths, weaknesses, and how they resonate with consumers. Using Sensia, we can benchmark our products against competitors across different beverage categories, understand the key attributes that drive consumer preferences, and identify areas where we can differentiate and excel. The speed and efficiency that Sensia offers are unparalleled. Instead of spending weeks or even months manually conducting product comparisons, we can now achieve accurate and comprehensive results in a fraction of the time. This allows us to swiftly adapt our product development strategies, seize emerging opportunities, and stay one step ahead of the competition. Sensia empowers us to make data-driven decisions and design products that resonate with our target audience. We can identify market gaps, address consumer needs, and deliver exceptional beverage experiences that stand out in a crowded marketplace. In conclusion, Sensia stands as the ultimate solution for brand owners in the beverages industry, delivering a remarkable competitive benchmarking tool. With Sensia, we effortlessly benchmark our products against the competition, gaining invaluable insights to fuel our success. Gone are the days of laborious and resource-intensive manual research. Sensia empowers us to conduct competitive benchmarking at any time, in a do-it-yourself manner, and with astonishing ease. Its intuitive interface and cutting-edge algorithms allow us to obtain accurate and comprehensive results at an incredible value. Join the revolution and switch to Sensia today.